Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12T and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and here it doesn't really matter if we will be on the photo or the video mode. We will have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Just a quick disclaimer, I hope that you can see this special type of a green line, which is called probably golden spiral. It doesn't really matter. I've applied it before I've started the recording, and it is because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So after the whole operation, this golden spiral should disappear. So as I said, let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find restore default settings. Let's tap on it and confirm it with OK. As you can see, and the settings flashed a little here, so let's go back to the camera, and as you can see, the spiral immediately disappears, which simply means that we just successfully reset all camera settings. So basically that's all. This is how to reset the camera in your Xiaomi 12T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.